Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good afternoon, my dear students, and welcome to my channel Maths with Umar. In this series, in this textbook series, we are going to see the textbook of exercise 9.3 chapter circles. Okay, so till now, what we have seen, let us see what we have seen. So, we have seen theorem 9.1, which is nothing but equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Equal angles at the center. This is what we have seen. And 9.2, what 9.2 is converse of it. So what is 9.3? So 9.3, we have seen that what is that? And if a perpendicular is drawn from the circle onto the chord, it bisects the chord. Understood or not? And then what is 9.5? 9.5 states that equal chords, suppose let us say these two chords are equal, and these two chords are equidistant from the center. That means these two are equal. Understood or not? This is 9.5. And after that, what is 9.7? So 9.7 is that in a circle, if you take an arc and the angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. This is what we have studied. If this is x, the angle subtended at the center will be 2x. This is what we have studied, right? So 9.7. Till now we have studied this. So now let us see how to solve this problem. So what is the problem given over here? The problem given over here, can you please read it? So in the given figure, ABC are 3 points on a circle. Where are ABC? A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O. Okay? Such that angle BOC, which is angle BOC? This is angle BOC is 30 degrees. And angle AOB is 60 degrees. If D is another point on the circle, D is somewhere on the point on the circle, other than arc ABC. Here, other than arc ABC. Okay, fine. This is arc ABC. Find ADC. ADC. Now, from where to start? So, it is, what is given, my dear students? So, given angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees and angle COB is equal to 30 degrees. Is it right? And what is the center? So if we say arc ABC, so what is the angle subtended at the arc? So that implies angle AOC. Angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle COB. Is it right? If I add these two angles, this is the angle subtended by the arc. So what is angle AOB? Angle AOB is 60 degrees plus angle COB is 30 degrees. What is 60 plus 30? 90 degrees. So you got that AOC is equal to 90 degrees. And when he had told that ABC is an arc and D is the point other than the arc. So what do you remember here? We can remember theorem 9.7. What does theorem 9.7 states? Theorem 9.7 states that the angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point remaining on the circle. Is it right? So does D is the point which is other than the circle or other than the arc? Yes. So therefore, according to by theorem 9.7, by theorem 9.7, so theorem 9.7, angle ADC. What is angle ADC? ADC is the angle subtended by the arc, right? So angle subtended by the arc at any other point is double the angle subtended at the center by the same arc, angle AOC. Is it right? So by theorem 9.7 you cannot only you have to write the explanation of the theorem also. So angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at any other remaining part of the circle, at any point on the remaining part of the circle, remaining part of the circle. Is it right? So let us keep it in bracket. So that means angle ADC is equal to 2 times angle AOC. So that implies angle ADC is equal to 2 times. What is angle AOC? What is angle AOC? It is 90 degrees. So therefore 2 into 90 degrees. So that is equal to, so that is equal to, this is double, right? 2, sorry, I have written wrong. So 2, the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle, at the center, is twice the angle subtended at any other point on the circle. So therefore angle AOC is equal to 2 times, what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is equal to 90 degrees. So 2 times angle ADC. So what is ADC? Just transpose this 2. So that implies 90 divided by 2 is equal to angle ADC. So that implies angle ADC is equal to 45 degrees. I hope everybody understood this. There is a small confusion over here, and I hope everybody understood. So please write everything by steps. Understood or not? Now follow the margin and write these things. And this also, since I don't have place, so I have written. So this should be in the margin. Okay. So then your maths presentation will be good and you will get good marks. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Inshallah, I'll be explaining all the problems of exercise 9.3. Okay. Take care. Bye.